Hi guys, welcome back into my kitchen, and today I'm glad to share with you carrot and pineapple salad. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and support this channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. God bless you for the support that you've been giving me. So the ingredients that I'll be using today are carrots, pineapples, some raisins, half a tablespoon of vinegar. So guys, let's start mixing the ingredients. I'll take my bowl, then pour in the carrots first. You can grate them thinly like I have done, or big slices, not so big. Then after that, I add my pineapples. Remember that pineapples has a lot of fluid or water, let's say water. So you have to look for a pineapple that is not so ripe. What I mean is you get a pineapple that is not very ripe, because very ripe pineapples have a lot of water. So you mix well. Mix well. You can slice also the pineapples into small pieces. Mine I've sliced them chunky, but it's also good. If you like chunky like me, you are good to go. Then at this moment, what I'll do, I'll take a small bowl, this one, add a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of, you can add some more. Let me add like half a tablespoon. Then I add vinegar. Let me just put 1 tablespoon. Then I'll mix it. You can also use honey instead of the sugar. At this point, what I'll do, I'll close the tin like this. Then I'll shake until this mixture is completely mixed. This will be our dressing today. Honey works also well, like I said, because it mixes quickly. No, this is sugar, so it takes some time to mix. Take my ingredients. On my ingredients, I'll add the raisins. You can use the dark raisins if you like. I've used the lighter ones. Mix well. Then I'll take my mixture, I'll pour it. And then I mix again. So when you mix the ingredients and the rest, the dressing, you chill the salad for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can serve. Make sure you mix it well so that when serving you don't take the carrots alone. So you make sure that it's well mixed so that when you are serving, you scoop all the ingredients. So now I will chill it for 5 minutes and then we see how it goes. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, once more I request you to watch my video, comment and subscribe. It's free. It's free. By supporting this channel, God will bless you and you'll see the many videos that I'll post. Once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified. You'll be among the first to be notified when I upload a new video. So let's keep this in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll show you how it looks. So guys, our salad is chilled now. What I'll do, I'll serve. So remember guys, as I said, make sure when you are serving you scoop each and every ingredient. Don't serve others with pineapple only. Serve them with each and every ingredient that you have prepared. Okay? So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It looks so yummy. So yummy, yummy, yummy. So guys, thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.